Hello, students, learners. I am going to talk about future perfect tense today. The future perfect tense states that some work, action, or activity will be completed by a definite time, certain time in the future. Example: I shall have finished all the official work by 5 p.m. You will have completed your MA in English by June 2021. She will have completed her BCA by June 2021. All these sentences show that some work, action, activity will be completed by a certain time in the future. So all these sentences are future perfect tense. Now let me talk about the structure in different sentences. Affirmative: subject plus shall or will plus have plus V3 plus object. Example: I shall have finished the work by 5 p.m. You will have completed your BCA by June 2021. She will have done her work by evening. Second, negative: subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus V3 plus object. Example: I shall not have finished this work by 3 p.m. today. You will not have completed your homework by 10 a.m. today. She will not have completed her homework by noon today. Third, interrogative: shall or will plus subject plus have plus V3 plus object. Example: shall I have completed this work by noon? Will you have done this work by evening? Will Sita have completed her work by noon today? Fourth, interrogative negative: shall or will plus subject plus not plus have plus V3 plus object question mark at the end. Example: shall I not have completed this work by evening today? Will you not have done this work by tomorrow? Will Sita not have completed her work the next day? The short form, the contracted form: shan't or won't plus subject plus have plus V3 plus object question mark. Example: won't you have done this work by evening? Won't Sita will have completed her BTech by June 2021. Now let me talk about use of this tense. The future perfect tense is used to express to a state of work or action or activity which will be completed, which will be finished by a certain time, a definite time in the future. Example, Shivram Krishna will have completed his BTech by June 2021. He will have finished his work by evening today. She will have completed her course in music and dance by June 2021. Thus, we find that future perfect tense can be learned by practicing this tense, making sentences. I think learners, students must have followed the structures. Thanks.